Well, hello guys, my name is Gaurav Yadav and welcome to Ask IITians. I hope you all are doing well, right? So today we'll discuss a very much most important topic for the 10th standard, that is arithmetic and progression, right? So we have already started that arithmetic and progression step. We'll move next time we share my screen, right? Okay, so perfect, right? Let me tell you guys that arithmetic and progression contains your 5 marks, your 4% most weightage is your 5 marks. Okay, so without wasting time, we'll move into it. Arithmetic progression, more weightage is your 5 marks, right? Okay. So today we'll cover topic taking terms in easy, taking terms in easy, and general term from the end. Let me tell you what does it mean taking term from in AP. Suppose an AP is given, now you have to take three terms A, B, C. You can generally take three terms A, B, C, but to solve your question faster, there is some steps to take general term, right? So here three there will be three variables, right? And your difference will be your B minus A or also equal to C minus B, right? So generally, if we question asked to take three terms, right, we generally take three terms, uh, like A minus C, A, and your A plus B. Why? Because it is easy to take three terms of an A because their common difference will be your D. D will be your common difference. Okay. We'll move and we'll do questions in a minute. Sometimes taking terms in AP, okay. Sometimes we need to assume certain numbers of terms in arithmetic progression. The following ways are generally used for selection of terms. So where it is actually based on the questions, right? So to less are calculation, right? These are basically tricks, so you can do your question easily. Otherwise, you can also by having A, B, and C terms generally. You can also do a question, but if you take these types of steps, then it will be more easier for you to do question. Okay. So if the sum of three terms in A, B be given, assume the number. Okay. If three terms, if three terms are given, then you must assume numbers A minus B, A, zero, A plus B. Most common difference is D, right? What is common difference? Common difference is second term minus first term or third term minus second term, right? Okay. So second basic common difference is your next term minus your previous term. Okay. So if the sum of four terms in A B is given, sum of three terms that we have already done to ease our calculation and ease our methods. It's sum of four terms. So you need to find out the four terms. If four terms are given, it is basically you should give priority to these A minus 3D, your A minus B, A plus B. It is already written there, right? And A plus 3D. Okay. So here common difference is your 2D. Common difference is your 2D. 2D. Okay. So if four terms is given, A minus 3D, A minus B, A plus B, and A plus 3D. To ease your calculation, because if sum is given, then 3D and 3D will cancel out, D and D will cancel out, they will be equal to given 4A, and by having just one equation you can easily find out the value of A, right? If the sum of five terms is given, you are given sum of five terms, right? Five terms. Then take the terms as A minus 2D, then your A, then your A plus, sorry, A minus 2D, then A minus B, yeah, A minus B, then your A, then A plus B, and your A plus 2D. So it's basically common difference is your D1, right? Okay, so if sixth term is given, that is E1, A minus 5D, A minus 3D, A minus B, A plus B, A plus 3D, A plus 5D. Okay, this common difference will be your 2D. In case of even terms, your common difference must be your 2D. Okay, so here 2D is wrong. You need to do that. Okay. In case of your odd terms, the common difference will be your D. In case of even terms, your common difference will be your 2D. Like earlier, we have also introduced that three terms. Three is odd, so common difference is your D, right? Four is even, so the common difference is 2D. Just subtract 4 minus 1 3. So A minus 3 and A minus 3. Okay. Just remember these terms, right? So AP we already know that for an AP arithmetic progression, the final term is En is equal to A plus N minus 1 into your D. Okay, what is A? A is your first term. What is D? D is your common difference, and what is N? N is the nth term. So right. Also formula of Sn, sum of n terms is equal to n upon 2. Then 2 times of A plus n minus 1 multiplied by E. Correct? So yeah, we'll do a question based on arithmetic progression. Like the sum of three numbers in arithmetic progression is 12, and the sum of their square is 56. Find the number. Sum of three numbers is given in an AP. So whenever you have to do sum of three numbers, so if it's 3 is basically your odd number, so its difference must be your D, right? So the number 3 should be taken E in order of E minus B, your A and B plus B. Okay. So question gave out like the sum of three numbers in AP and progression is 12. So these sum, so the sum of all these will be equal to 12. And what is the sum of these? B and B will cancel out. C, E will be equal to a 12 and A will be equal to your 4. Right or not? Yeah. So, and some of their squares, it means A minus B whole square plus A square, some of their squares, plus A plus B whole square will be equal to 56. It is already given. Just put the value of A and took out the value of B. Then you will easily get these numbers. Okay. Like in this way, A is equal to your 4, right? And by having A minus B whole square and A square plus A plus B whole square equal to 56, just open the formula A whole square minus 2A into B square and just calculate, and B will be equal to your plus minus B. First time take D as 2 and second time take as D as minus 2. If we took out the value of D is, it is 3 here, right? It is basically 2. If you take D equal to 2, the number will be 4 minus 2, 4, 4 plus, that is 2, 4, 6, and 6, 4, 2, right? So the required number can be either each of them. Basically, your difference is so number can be 2, 4, 6 or 6, 4, 6. Okay. General term from n. You are asked general term from n, right? General term from n. Let A and B be the first term and common difference. Let A and B be the first term and B be the common difference of an AP. Having m number of terms. Then nth term from the end is m minus n plus 1th term from the beginning. Therefore, n sum from n will be your a plus n minus 1 into b. Let me give an example. Suppose that five places are there. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Suppose the 7 places are there. And write A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. Okay, 7 places are there. And so, like if I tell you, like what is the third term from the beginning? So third term, yeah. If I tell you that your third term, what if I tell you your third term from beginning? Third term from beginning will be your C, right? What if I tell you third term, find the third term from end. Third term from end will be your E. So what you have to do, what you have to understand this formula m minus n plus 1 has come from beginning. So n is 0 to your sorry, m is 0, 7, and n is 0, n is come from the end, the third term, right? 7 minus 3 plus 1. 7 minus 3, 4 plus 1, 5. So it is basically fifth term from the starting, right? So just remember the formula m minus n plus 1 has come from the beginning. Why? Where m will be your total terms you have taken. N will be your ns term from end, ns term from end, right? And plus 1. We'll do a portion that will be more clear. Find the 12 comes from the end of the following arithmetic progression. Okay, you are given an arithmetic progression 3, 8, 30, Guys, based on the formula, we'll do it later. Let me tell you one more thing. If you need to find out the 12 term from the end, 12 term from the end will like in here, right? But you don't know what will be the 12 term, sorry, 12 term from the end it is asking, right? But don't know which term it will be from your beginning. If you don't know this formula n minus n plus 1, suppose that we have forgotten this. Suppose you have forgotten this in your exam. What will you do? Just reverse the AP. 253. The common difference 8 plus 3 is 5. Next will be your 248. Right or not? Because this last term, second last term will be your 248. Why? Because 8 minus 3 is 5. The common difference is 5. Common difference is 5. And 248. Common difference is 5, right? So just reverse the AP 53, 258, then subtract 5 more, then it will be a 240, 43, right? So just, and your last one will be 8, then 3 and 13. Okay, what I have done nothing but just reverse the AP. So the question asks that 12 come from the end. Your 12 come from the end will be your 12 come from the beginning in this case of AP, right? If you just reverse the AP. So 12 come from the beginning. 12 is nothing but your A plus 11D. By having the formula nth sum, right? So you need to find out our 12 sums for A. What is A? A is 253 plus 11 into D. What is D? D is your minus 5. D is your minus 5. So 11 into minus 5 will be your 55 minus 55. So it will be your 198. Right? So in case you have forgotten your formula m minus n plus 1, just reverse the AP and just calculate from your screen, right? So basically it is 198 to enter from the end, right? But if we have to apply a formula, our formula is m minus n plus 1. What is m? M is your total number of terms. In case of total number of terms, we have to just find out how many terms are there. So L is equal to a plus n minus 1 into 3. What is the L? L is your last term. So put the value of L 253. 253 is equal to what? A is 3 plus n minus 1. You don't know the value of n. Is minus and d is 0. 5. Just calculate n is equal to 51. N is equal to 51. Okay. N is your number of terms, so just put it here m. So 51 minus of n. What is n? N is your 12th term from the beginning plus 1. So minus 12 plus 1 will be your 11. 51 minus 11 will be your 40. So you need to calculate the A40, right? Just calculate A40 from your beginning. You will get the value of your desired question, right or not? So just either reverse the AP or just remember the formula m minus n plus n. Just also remember that m is your total number of terms. M is your total number of terms. M is total number of terms. M is your the question asking from which end, right? So these are your practice questions, guys. Just try solving them. I will do only one question, right? So I will try to solve this fifth term from the end. It is asking fifth term from the end. Just fifth term from the end will be what will be the its term number of terms from the beginning. You have the formula n minus n plus 1. What is n? N is just 5. You don't know the value of n. So for n, just remember the formula n is equal to a plus n minus 1 multiplied b. N is your last term 154 is equal to a is your 7 plus n minus 1 into b. What is b? B is your 3. 154 minus 7, right? 154 minus 7 will be your 147 equal to n minus 1 into 3. You cut out 3. 3, 4 3 is 12 and 3 4 the 3 9 is 27, 14 and will be your 50. And will be your 50, right? So n is your 50. So sorry, n is basically your n. N is basically a number of terms. So 50 minus 5 plus 1. 50 minus 5 is 45. 45 plus 1, it is asking basically your 46th term from your beginning. So what is 46? A 46 will be your a plus 45b. A value of a is 7 plus 45 multiplied b is your 3. 50 4 is 12 and 1 13 135 plus 7. 135 plus 7 will be your 142. Right guys? Only. I think so A46 will be your 142, right? Yeah. So guys, just try solving them. This is all about our session, right? Thank you guys. Thank you so much.